kedo kela karara phan ke jum nai sitami chiri kep Longle Apatta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen kipi eje phan KATSSA hamphang asong atum pen BJP is Karbi Anglong amai phurolen kiling aphan panongsi pinpura lo kepajirdam non MP election na dikiliga prang racharia song kedo anatuma phan election manifesto along tribal belts and block under chapter 10 of ALRR 1886 arona ting pen kedo kela Karbi Anglong arada phan adontin kijum naida chiri kep Longle Apatta kipi ponjia phan jongpo nangji pu akimang pen Karbi Anglong Territorial Society Security Association asong atum Karbi Anglong angkangalong kedo racharia song atuma phan panongsi pinpuralu kepajir ponjia phat jisik pen patumi thereponi phai inkorai siarni BJP racharia song aphan panongsi BJP is Karbi Anglong amai phu rolen killing aphan pinpuralu pipajir pon laan chotkali hong pen kivang beha bepar ke claim amen pen Karbi along rialo kedo kebe ke chia so tuma phan aronri pen Longle Apatta kachipalong lapen kipi kang huatuma phan pang thexi section 161 chapter 10 Assam Land and Revenue Regulations Law 1886 aron kapinchong ateng kangsai pasod dagji aphan lapen VGR along le along aron repen kedo atum arideng along kedo Longle Apatta hai hui ing thanang jipu jongdunsi thereni phai inkorai siarni is Karbi Anglong BJP President Roland Killing aphan Karbi Anglong Territorial Social Security Association mate KATSSA hamphang song atum chetong damsi koson se inglong arad atum joy ke pen Longle Apatta kachipalong thekji aputhak chingki chingwai tekangsi ke manga sondo an election manifesto long ke thapon eji aphan pinpura lo epak pajir dampusi KATSSA maipu samson ingti pen ningje pon
lake je rada phan labang so wai dak pen ake chak do nangji je alang le tum party ajada party le alang tum hai pen sarkar chari long se tame Karbi Anglong arat atum aphan je inglong arat kilu ke lom arat atum phan ki duk det arat atum aphan pota pipon et nangji pusi nili tum langke alang tum phan kehang padupon lo labang so aron se tame nili tum la hello ili tum Assam government pen angke thik pitang ji protected belt and blocks tribal belts and blocks in Assam labang so ek bangke lapu hello 1947 penelo Land and Revenue Administration it is a demand 1847 labangso along abangke chapter 10 labangso Assam Land and Revenue ek along elitum han ke tok pitang do lake travel belt and blocks labangso arona teng pen pulut elitum pota elitum chipi vek nang po lapen labda ka bang elitum tribal latum mangsi ladda ke do tribal to mangsi elitum ke pota setami long chodji
Karbi Anglong Social Security Association mate KATSSA nilitum pini bangso memorandum ke pajira long nilitum demands bang ke lahelo according to the provision for tribal belts and blocks under chapter 10 of ALRR 1886 KAC must provide land patas to each household BPL families of Karbi Anglong. Gov or KAC circular must notice land regulation and act in every circle office according to Gov's gadget. Lapen ke point number 3. Stop illegal land patas issued to non-tribal by Gov officer KAC according to the rules under the provision of section 161 of the chapter 10 of the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation Law 1886. Number 4. Bribe officer or estate land mafia should be punished according to the laws. Eject of VGR, illegal encroachers, unsettled land, annual pata or periodic pata under section 165 chapter 10 of ALRR 1886.
Upcoming election demand
lapen ke non la nilitum upcoming election mate bangso 2024 MP election along nilitum kadimana bang ke la hel
News Report Karbi Anglong Live